Alright, today we're going to take just a little quick video of our beautiful 1969 Mach 1. We're just finishing up restorations on now. Fresh out of the paint shop. Finished beautifully in Acapulco blue. Rear slats, front and rear spoilers. The awesome gold striping. Magnum 500 wheels. Beautiful Mach 1 interior. 351, automatic, power steering, and power disc brakes. Great looking cars from Ford back in 1969. I have a customer looking at this car. Actually, I've got about 3 or 4 customers looking at this car, so I wanted to give you just a little quick video view of how nice this car is. Runs terrific. No rust. Let's start her up. Here we go. Really nice Mach 1. That is the sweet purr of Ford's 1969 351 4-barrel. Good running Mach 1. Brakes are great, steering is nice and tight. Power steering. If you have an interest in a beautiful 69 Acapulco blue Mach 1, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319.